Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to a specific day on Google Calendar apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then in here, if you wanna go to a specific day on your Android phone, you can click on the months, the name months, this one, click on it, and then swipe left or right to go another month, like this. Swipe left or right like this, and then tap a date to see events on the day. Maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is 22 December, Mother Days, like this. And then after this, tap a date, and then after this, at the top right corner, this one, if you wanna click this is the icon, you can jump to today. Okay, like this. And then so that how to go to a specific day on a Google Calendar. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.